Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Brokers TWS full guide. Open TWS, log in, and set your base currency. Then personalize a workspace so the tools you need are visible. Start by adding symbols to a watch list, enable real-time quotes, and learn basic order types like limit and market. Practice with the paper trading account to avoid costly mistakes while you explore layout, charts, and order settings. Use clear order workflows and practice submitting orders in a calm sequence so you trade with confidence. Configure default time and force and routing preferences to match cost and speed expectations. Watch the order monitor for partial fills, errors, and execution details, and learn how to cancel or modify orders quickly. Remember to test different order types in paper trading to see how they behave under live market conditions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a practical companion to smarter trading and long-term planning. It clarifies saving, investing, and mindset without jargon, and it pairs nicely with learning TWS basics. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Explore the charting suite with a friendly, patient approach and set templates you will reuse. Add moving averages, RSI, and volume to confirm entries and exits, and switch timeframes to check context. Save chart layouts and apply them across symbols so your setup stays consistent. Try overlays and drawing tools to mark support, resistance, and trend lines, then backtest ideas visually before risking real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.